TechBoss Tutors. Today I'm going to show you how to turn on dark mode in Google Docs. Google mode is white. You can see a lot of white spaces here. So if you are probably working late at night and you want to reduce all this brightness, you can opt for Google Docs dark mode. So the first thing we have to do is to go to Google and type Google Docs dark mode extension. So this has taken us to some results. We have Google Docs dark mode Chrome Web Store. This will take us directly to Chrome Web Store, which has lots of extensions. So now we can see that this is Google Docs dark mode, and you can see that a lot of people are using this, over 400,000 plus users. So right now, let's click on Add to Chrome. This is a pop-up. Click on Add extension. Alright, it will take some few seconds to download. Now it has downloaded, and now Google Docs dark mode has been added to Chrome. So right now, let's go back to our docs. Right now, I will just duplicate this. So now we compare this theme to the duplicated ones. This is the light version, which is the default. And now let's look at how the dark mode looks like. Alright, so we can see that there are lots of differences. This is the dark mode, and we can see that here this is dark, and the white space and background is reduced. So this is good for anyone who wants probably want to work late at night and does not really want all this brightness, all the white space and background. So this is how you can enable Google Docs dark mode. Now if you want to remove this extension, you go to extensions, you can click here, and this is dark theme for Google. Click on these three dots, remove dark theme for Google, remove. If you like, share and click the subscribe button, and I'll see you in my next video.